Welcome to this explainer. Okay, picture this. You spend 40 agonizing hours cutting, folding, and animating a single piece of stop-motion paper art, right? Only to have people swipe past it in 3 seconds. Brutal. Now imagine doing all of that perfectly, but in just 5 minutes. Today, we're breaking down the exact 3-tool AI workflow behind those insanely satisfying viral handmade art creations that are literally taking over social media feeds.
So how exactly are creators pumping out these viral papercraft videos at lightning speed? Let's dive right into this. What we're looking at today is a real insider secret, a highly efficient digital assembly line using 3 free AI tools that top creators use to completely dominate the algorithm. And stick with me, because by the end of this, you're going to have the complete, actionable system to build your very own.
Here's our roadmap for today. First up, the viral AI craft trend. Number 2, the master prompt strategy. Then we'll hit Step 1, ChatGPT ideation, Step 2, Gemini storyboarding, and Step 3, Flow AI generation. Finally, we'll wrap up with scaling your content machine.
All right, part 1, the viral AI craft trend. Millions of views on autopilot.
If you've been on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts lately, you know exactly what I'm talking about. These colorful DIY creations and realistic miniature paper designs are absolutely exploding. We're talking millions of views, consistently. And the reason? It all comes down to high viewer retention. Those deeply satisfying visual loops, people just can't look away. Creators who have locked down these AI workflows are growing their pages at speeds we've honestly never seen before.
Moving on to our second segment, the master prompt strategy. This is your content blueprint. All right, so this brings us to the master template prompt. You know that dreaded blank page syndrome? This is how creators completely bypass it. Think of this template as the actual brain of the entire operation. It's a comprehensive document that acts as your ultimate foundation. It ensures your AI tools know exactly what style, tone, and visual consistency you're aiming for right out of the gate, which is absolutely crucial because it completely stops the AI from hallucinating random art styles later on down the line.
The really important takeaway here is that you've got 2 distinct approaches working together. On one side, your master template is the foundation. It's kind of like building the ultimate set design and locking in your camera angles. On the flip side, you have the universal prompt. This one is basically a cheat code for rapid scaling. It's a quick swap template. You just swap out the name of an object or an animal. It's like casting a new actor onto that perfectly built set, and boom, the prompt automatically adapts the style for hyper-fast generation. Before we actually step onto the factory floor, let's map out this assembly line. We've got 3 stations. Station 1 is ChatGPT for ideation, which outputs 10 ideas in your dual prompts. Station 2 is Google Gemini AI for visualization, creating your frame-by-frame storyboard image. And Station 3 is Flow AI for animation, delivering your final animated video. It is honestly wild how cleanly these 3 distinct AIs talk to each other, seamlessly passing the baton from start to finish.
Let's get into it. Step 1, ChatGPT ideation. Building the foundation.
The real magic trick here is the sheer efficiency. First, you just paste your complete master template prompt right into ChatGPT. Instantly, it spits out 10 unique paper crafting ideas. Let's say you like idea number 5. You grab that, paste it back in, and here is where it gets brilliant. You don't just get one output. You simultaneously generate a hyper-specific storyboard image prompt and a step-by-step video generation prompt. One simple choice gives you the 2 exact operational commands you need.
So with those 2 crucial prompts successfully created and copied to our clipboard, we're exporting to Gemini. We just grab that first baton and sprint over to our next software platform.
Which brings us to Step 2, Gemini storyboarding. Visualizing the craft.
All right, at this station, you take that exact storyboard image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Gemini AI. Your goal? Generate a clean, highly detailed storyboard image. Now, you might be asking, why Gemini specifically? Well, right now, it has incredibly strong adherence when it comes to generating clean multi-panel storyboard grids compared to other image models. It lays out a seamless frame-by-frame paper crafting process all in one single image. Once you've got that, you just download that final image right to your device. Now that we have our frame-by-frame visual blueprint securely saved, we're exporting to Flow AI. It's time to pass the final baton. We're officially moving out of the blueprint phase and into the final construction.
Here we are. Step 3. Flow AI generation, bringing it to life. Inside Flow AI is where the raw text and static images are actually forged into a moving video. Here's the play. You start by uploading that downloaded Gemini storyboard image.
Then you enable the Flow AI agent and select Add to Prompt on the image so it uses it as a direct visual reference. Next, paste in your video generation prompt from ChatGPT. Click Generate, approve the agent's request, and wait. In just moments, you've got stunning, fluid, stop-motion origami. And the best part? Not a single paper cut or ruined piece of cardstock in sight.
Finally, let's talk about our last segment. Scaling your content machine. Unlimited creations. Just look at the sheer speed of this workflow timeline. Minute 1. ChatGPT generates your new ideas and text prompts. Minute 3. Gemini renders a fresh storyboard image. By minute 5, Flow AI has fully animated the final craft video. It's a mind-blowing reality. A painstaking manual process that historically takes days to do in the real world now literally takes exactly 5 minutes.
As the source material emphasizes, this workflow allows you to generate an unlimited number of unique paper crafting videos every time. This is your massive algorithmic advantage right here. Instead of pouring all your time and effort into one single video that might just flop anyway, this engine lets you test dozens of high-quality ideas every single week. It fundamentally changes your odds of going viral and helps you keep up with those relentless social media demands.
So, what will you create first? You now hold the absolute complete blueprint for this 3-tool AI assembly line. You know exactly how to ideate, visualize, and animate. But the real question we have to ask is this. If an entire stop-motion studio now fits inside 3 browser tabs, what impossible world are you going to build first?